If you're looking for resources outside CK-12's core offerings, or that have already been localized to meet your state or district standards, you may find our search bar here helpful. For example, I could look for literature. If CK-12 doesn't have a flexbook that you're working with, beyond kind of this writing one that exists, I can click on the community contributed piece and see literature books that other users have created. Additionally, I could look for local content by clicking on Explore and then Schools. Here you can see schools that might be near you, or explore other states and districts, or international for international resources. An example of one is down in Texas. If I click on that and scroll down to El Paso, you'll see a number of resources that they have created, either adapting our content or writing their own content under our same license. Feel free to explore these, assign them, and share them with your students.